Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start now. Place the watch face down on a soft cloth to prevent scratches and set your tiny parts tray close. Use the forked end of the spring bar tool to press the exposed flange of the spring bar inward. This compresses the bar so it clears the lug. Hold the opposite lug with steady pressure to keep the watch stable and slowly walk the spring bar out of the hole so it disengages without popping free. Once the strap detaches from the lugs, decide if you're removing links or using quick-release bars. If links, orient the bracelet arrows and push pins out with a pin pusher. Use a block to support the link and a hammer with light taps until the pin clears. If quick-release, pull the small lever and slide the section off. Make sure to capture pins and collars in your tray and note their orientation so reassembly is straightforward later. To finish, inspect the spring bars and end links. If any bar is bent or corroded, replace it before reassembly because a damaged bar can fail unexpectedly. When reinstalling, compress the bar, align it with both lug holes, and release only when both ends sit flush. You should hear or feel a click. If parts resist, do not force, apply a drop of penetrating oil or use magnification, and reattempt gently to avoid.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.